How to fix VLC media player lagging or skipping. Hello guys, how are you? In this video we will learn how to fix VLC player lagging or skipping in 4K or 180p videos. So watch the full video and let's start. First of all, you open your VLC media player and click on tools. After that you click on preference. So you will open in this dashboard and click on all so I click in all. After that you click on import codec. After that you see that the dashboard. So scroll down, change value to 600. After that click on save button. Method 2, again click on tool. After that preference. After that you click on your input codec here and click on automatic and select disable and click on save button. Again method 3 and click on tools again click on preference. After that you click on all. After that you see this dashboard. You click on stream, you see that videos and click on output method models and click on automatic. So click on save button. So method 4, you see that they have 4 methods. Click on tools and click on preference again. This is the last method and click on all. After that you click on input codec and after that you see that videos coded and click on them and you see that ff.m page. Click on this and change value here and click 2. So your video is completed now. So thank you for watching video. See you in the next video.